Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Also, for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Thank you so much. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena, Orlando Pirates 2, Milford FC 0. Kunjani mfethu?
Anyaphila babunqobo. Siphila kunjani?
Siyaphila uba igama ubuya kuphi?
Igama lami uSihle ngiphuma la eOrlando. Abangazi bangibiza ngo Khotman, Mr Khotman nje.
Khotman.
Yeah.
Okay, usupporta lephi iqembu?
Ibhakaniya.
Oyibhakaniya.
Yebo.
Uzwa kanjani igame namhlanje?
Igame namhlanje ngizizwa ngijabulile kodwa njengoba nami ngidlala ibhola iperformance ayingichazanga. The way siqale ngakhona mele size si-adapt late which is izosicosta one day. Yeah, I didn't like that starting.
In maybe kade ufuna ukuthi baqale ngayo before be adapt.
Game from 0 seconds. Punish until siyokore ngoba le game lebeso incwaba nga6 nje sibracket goal difference ithi +6 sihleli kahle lapha akekho umuntu osazosdisturb ngoba maye ukora 2-0 sometimes yazi idawana liyashaya ama goal ngoba lizohlangana le team losha 8 dawana because lifuna ukucompete nathi.
Don't you think ukuthi le team le Milford nayo iphakamisile? That's why maybe ngingakwazanga ukora amagoli amaningi.
Milford ngokubona kwami isizwe umjida unumber 4 lo bekadlala esigubhini. Brilliant la mfana lo ya useza yabo no number 10 which is the first time badlala and emele it's not easy to adapt from lower to so I think ukuthi mele babanika I chance labafana laba ya one day bazo pop up na.
Siyabonga Khotman.
Thank you.